How to recover deleted notes on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Notes application on your phone. The Notes app on iPhone is a versatile tool for capturing and organizing information. Once you're here, you can view all your notes on this page. If you want to delete a note from here, then press and hold the note and swipe left. Then, tap on the delete button beside. Now, go to the top left corner and tap on Folder. Here, go to the recently deleted folder. Over here, you can view all your recently deleted notes. Now, to restore the deleted note from here, then tap on Edit at the top right. Select a note and tap Move on the bottom left corner. Finally, choose which folder you would like to move the note back to by tapping on the Notes folder. Following these steps, you can easily recover deleted notes on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.